Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. Today crude oil reported their weekly inventory numbers and it was a build of 7 million barrels compared to the forecast of 2.3 million barrels. But we still went up due to the onset of bullish numbers on the gasoline withdrawals. So I do believe that despite that we are overbought on the RSI, the 1 hour MACD is pointing up. On the 4 hour chart, the RSI is nearing overbought levels, as well as on the daily chart, the RSI is currently overbought. So it may take a while for this to settle. I do not believe we may head straight down. We may level off. And we do have fierce resistance, as you can see on the price level. So past support, which is now resistance, as you can see, it dates back all the way out to January of last year. There's a slight consolidation of price in 2018, and I do believe this is the ceiling and we are near it. And as for support, I believe the first support will be the 9-day moving average, as you can see here, and the next support is the 200-day moving average. So the price movement between those is not much. From 200-day, it's only 3% down, and a price movement at the 9-day is only about, I would say, 2.3% down, and there's not much room to go up, and that price movement is about 0.5%. And on to the next module. On this chart, I'll compare the current trend with this trend. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. This chart, this dates back to August 15, 2017 to November 8th, 2017. So let me compare these two charts. What we have down here is we started a trend above the Bollinger Band, and we touched the bottom Bollinger Band right down here. And after that, we do see an instance where it touches slightly below the middle Bollinger Band right here, and found support on the middle Bollinger Band once more over here, and then it continues to climb up right along the upper Bollinger Band. So you'll start to see the pattern shaping up here. So we start out with the trend above the middle Bollinger Band and touching the bottom Bollinger Band, which we had, or we have this instance down here. And after that, we see the trend starting to find support right along the middle Bollinger Band, and another reassuring of the uptrend touching the middle Bollinger Band once more, and we have liftoff for the bulls right here, and you start to see the trend has shaped out. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points that are similar. So trends that tend to be similar tend to be or tend to have similar outcomes. So let's look at the projection model. So I'll go day by day where the model will head to, or August 15, 2017 to November 8th, 2017. So we are currently at day 0, 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So in 7 days, the trend, or August 15, 2017, November 8th, at that time period, USO, or crude oil, was down about 1.7% down, or 1.65% down. So let's compare. We have the current trend, and I'll point out the similarities in how you overlap it, and it does look similar. You have the slight dip and the uptrend towards the end. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.